seems like my scalp is kind of inflamed, so I will have to definitely go see a dermatologist about that. But hey guys, welcome. So we are in my kitchen. I am making like an anti-inflammatory mixture for my hair. This is basically turmeric, black tea, and red onion. And that's it. Let this cool down a little bit more. Basically, before I start my hair process, I'm going to pour this all over my head. Welcome to my bathroom now. So I've made the tea, right? This is an old ordinary bottle. We recycle around here, okay? In this tea, it's black tea, turmeric, and red onion. I feel like I have some inflammation in the scalp. Back of my hair has always been thin, but like now when I touch the back of my hair, it feels like my scalp is kind of inflamed, so I will have to definitely go see a dermatologist about that. But in the meantime, until I do that, I am going to use this mixture. Recommend you see a doctor first, but we need to do this right now. Get a shirt that you don't mind getting stained because turmeric's gonna stain. But let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and chat with you guys. So I put a lot of it in the bottle, right? And squirted it in my head, and I still have this much left. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm actually going to pour the rest over my hair in the shower. Alright guys, just washed and conditioned my hair. So this is my hair. Looks kind of crusty, so I have to put my EOS lip balm on. But anyway, I'm using this conditioner here. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners. And then I'm going to apply some oil on my hair first. It's the jojoba oil. But I just want to show you guys, this is how much hair I've shed in like the last 2 weeks. So that is actually pretty good. We want to get to less, but ideally your hair sheds every day. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and send the dryer for about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back, rinse my hair out, and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. BRB. Alright guys, this is my hair the next day. All I did was put some cornrows in it, and then that is really it. Love you guys. See you guys later. Bye.